I tried to make this hot sauce that I saw a lot of people making online, like these YouTube guys and like these old ladies. I went to like Whole Foods and like bought like, I forgot what kind of pepper they were. I got these peppers and I think they're organic. It's from Whole Foods, it better be. And I waited like 5 days because I think that's what you're supposed to do. And I used like a 2.5% salt brine. And yeah, this is where all the magic happens. You gotta whiff. Whew. This is the stuff my sister gives me. We got my peppers here. I don't know, guys. Well, first off, it looks like someone like peed. You got like this nice something on the top there. And I read online it's like you really got to watch out for the I don't know if you can see with the camera, but there are some fuzzies right there. I don't know. I'm not a big fan of wasting things, so I'm just gonna send it and I'm like gonna eat this and I'll let you know if I get sick. So this is it. It's not sriracha, but it is hot sauce. I guess the test with all hot sauces is if it's good on a cold sweet potato. And definitely good. I think I put a little bit too much garlic in it, but it's definitely not that strong compared to regular I'm definitely satisfied with it. It didn't make too much, and that was probably like 7 or 8. I don't know, I'm happy with it. Definitely more effort than going to the store and getting sriracha. This one I have from Trader Joe's. If you could make this in like more bulk, definitely make it worth it. You really need to plan it out before you start and you just go for it. So I don't know. Oh, and also I think like the brine is supposed to be super good for you. So I don't know if I'm gonna keep this. It's like it's pretty rank. It's not that bad.